Hey guys and gals, we're back with episode 4 on the Dirty Stinky Blue Bomber, and hopefully you're liking the series because we're doing everything on it, everything. Like I said, we're trying to get 10 grand out of it, just messing with you, somewhere around that range of whatever it's worth. And we have bonuses we're going to give them, the buyer, if we get the right buyer. That's just little trinkets of love which will make them want to buy it. Or flip the sale, push the sale. You know, if it's right on the edge, we'll say, well, we'll throw this in. Okay, we'll buy it. All right, here's what we're doing today. As you can see, if you get up here close, Consuelo, you can see that they tried to power wash that, and it's really baked on. That stuff, they got up close to the power washer to try to get it off. You can see it all over on this side here as well. And all these faded pinstripes, we're going to end up taking that all off. But you look back here. So what do you do when you have a really dirty vehicle that you've left outside for a while and you're going to do some revamping to it? Let me share with you. As you know, we love Dawn Platinum in our carpet cleaning mix. And we use it on a lot of projects, but not when we're trying to save a little bit of money and do it with cheaper products to be able to afford to do this, okay? So what we're going to do with this, because I don't care about the finish, I'm going to end up buffing it and ceramic coating it and doing all that. So right now, my main objective is to get this grimy stuff off there. We're getting out our reeling wall-mounted power washer over there. And if you come back here, Consuelo, get up by the exhaust.
They even tried to do it to the tires.
Yeah, look at the tires. That's nasty, and I got a few things we're going to be doing with those.
Nice try.
But get up close and you can listen to the exhaust. That's how rough this thing is running. So as I said, we like to use the Dawn Platinum, but we're going to use a stronger, cheaper right here, and that's our Ajax. And we actually put it in our foam cannon, and I'm not even going to rinse it, pre-rinse it off. There's no sense in it. I want the soap to really have a chance to eat that stuff off there. So let's have at it. And we're leaving it running right now because the battery was dead. So we're going to let it charge up a little bit. All right, let's have at it. So let me ask you a question. You ever foam cannon dish soap on your vehicle? Well, you're seeing it right here. And I will say this, those wall-mounted power washers are awesome. We use it all the time, and it's nice because you reel the hose up, you're done. Let's go around to this side where we know it was filthy. Okay, you can see right here. Yeah, you can see where it's eating the dirt off. Look at that. And I'm barely pushing. See how black that is? Let's check this here because we know this is. Let's see if I can get that dirt to roll down. See all that? Coming right off. And I'm using the side of my thumb. You can see how dirty it is. Cheap way to really scrub the garbage off your vehicle. And if you're going to ceramic coat your vehicle, this is a great way to strip everything off it safely and still be able to ceramic coat your vehicle. It'll take the waxes and everything off. Okay, so we'll spray it down one more time and I'll go get the brush. We'll brush it up. When I'm doing this, a lot of times I like to just spray at the top and you see it running down. instead of spraying down here, it just runs off. Then when we do our final wash, we'll use our really good soap with the graphene in it, use a microfiber to wash the vehicle down, and then we'll go about doing our ceramic coating and whatever we're going to do to the finish. But this process here, you do not want to do this in the sun because it dries up pretty quick. Giving bonuses, I picked up this little rig right here. I am going to give this to the buyer. Got a light and it has the jumper cables, and we've already used it on this because it was deader than a doornail. We used it and it started it right up in 2 seconds. But it's got an air compressor to it. You can replace the batteries in it by pulling the battery out. And all you do is plug your jumper cables in right there to jump your vehicle. And then it's got plugs here, USB and the micro USB. And then the air compressor's back here. Boom. Pretty slick, but I'm going to give that, and it's going to be like a bonus to them. It's going to be awesome because they're going to go, wow, you're just going to give that? And I have the box for it, but I wanted to try it and see how it works, and I'm blown away with it. It's probably the most powerful jump starter we've seen.
Where can all the tools be found?
Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Caesar. No, sorry, Bill. Thanks, Bill. I still call him Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez. Jesus. I don't know. Anyhow, he's always, probably next time you're here, he'll be want to be called Andrew or something. Now I'm just going to do this one side. I'm not going to bore you with watching me wash the whole thing, and then I'll finish it off camera. But you'll see it in the next video how really clean this thing is. And this is all you got to do is just scrub it. And it may take a couple times, but usually it does it with that soap. Takes a little bit of elbow grease, probably 5 gallons worth. Look at that. That area right there. Completely clean. Now that looks a million times better already, friends. So, using dish soap, there are certain times when you need to use it.
How are you going to dry that, Mike?
Well, I'm not going to waste my time hand drying this thing or even using a squeegee. We're going to use probably the strongest power-packed blower we've seen for being so small. And where I like to use a blower like this is around the handles and the little areas, the seams, because that's where the water continuously drips off when you're trying to dry it. There we go. Sweet project cars out.